Hello student, in this lecture we will discuss methods of partner capital accounts. There are two methods of maintaining partners capital account. First, fluctuating capital account method, and second, fixed capital account method. First of all, we will discuss first method of partner capital account. Number 1, fluctuating capital account method. A method in which the opening balance of capital account and the closing balance of capital account of any partner is reported fluctuated, means flexible, is known as fluctuating or temporarily capital account method. Understand? In this method, the opening balance of partner capital account and closing balance of partner capital account reported not same, means unequal. It is called fluctuating capital account method. In this method, only partner capital account is prepared to record transactions between partner and partnership firm. Let us understand structure of partner capital account. Okay, this is structure of partner capital account. You can see that on credit side of partner capital account, first particular opening balance means balance brought down. Second particular by cash, bank or any other asset. This is the transaction of additional capital. Credit side by interest on capital, salary, bonus, commission, remuneration, share of divisible profit, means the balance of profit and loss appropriation account. And finally closing balance, this is balancing figure, right? On debit side of partner capital account, first is balance brought down, opening debit balance. Sometimes partner account show debit balance, rarely, so it is transferred to debit side. On debit side, drawing is recorded, either cash drawing, check drawing or any other asset drawing. Interest on drawing is to be recorded, and divisible loss is recorded on debit side. Last balance to balance carried forward means closing balance of partner capital account. So I understand in fluctuating capital account method only one account is prepared, that is partner capital account. Now we are going to start second method of maintaining partner capital account, fluctuating capital account method. This is second method of partner capital account, fixed capital account method. A method of partner capital under which no change is reported in opening balance and closing balance in partner capital account is known as fixed capital account method. Students, in this method opening balance and capital and closing balance of capital reported same, that means not change. For this purpose, under this method, to record all transactions of partner with the partnership firm, two accounts are maintained. Which two accounts? Partner capital account and partner current account. Are you understand? In this method, two accounts are prepared, partner capital and partner current. Let us understand structure of partner capital account and partner current account. Okay, this is structure of partner capital account. You can see that opening balance of capital shown in partner capital account and additional capital brought by cash, check or any other asset recorded in capital account. And on debit side, cash, bank, any other asset withdrawn of capital is recorded. And finally capital accounts are closed and closing balance is to be transferred to balance sheet. Understand? So you can see that here transaction between partner and partnership firms are not recorded. Only opening capital and additional capital are recorded. Remaining transactions are recorded in another account. This is partner current account. So let us understand structure of partner current account. Okay student, this is structure of partner current account. You can see that it is starting with credit side by balance brought down, opening balance of opening balance of current account. Students, remember that current account has debit balance or credit balance. So if current account has credit balance, it will be shown on credit side, but if current account has debit balance, it will be shown on debit side. Okay, on credit side, interest on capital is recorded, interest on credit balance of current account is recorded, salary, bonus, commission, remuneration, divisible profit recorded, and finally close the current account difference recorded on credit side. On debit side, drawings recorded, interest on drawing, interest on debit balance of current account, and divisible loss is recorded, and finally balance is to be determined of current account closing balance. So are you understand? Under fixed capital account method, two accounts are prepared, capital account and current account. So this is structure of current account. Okay, thank you.